I'm doing a vlog here at Rosehill. Right here we have M11 for a service to Clyde, which just terminated here. Oops, sorry about that. It's extremely wet here at Rosehill. So yeah, this train will form a Clyde service very shortly. I'm not sure when. It terminated just here, obviously. I'm not sure why they're running Clyde to Rosehill services today, but there are still Carlingford line trains. So yeah, I'll go move over to the other platform where I can actually hide under shelter. About Rosehill. Platform number 2, obviously for the Carlingford and Clyde services regularly, normally is what they depart off. This platform can only fit about 4 cars. There's that. But platform number 1, which is used for race days like the Golden Slipper and whatever today is, I don't know. It is used for trains to Clyde, which terminate here. However, this platform can fit about, and it can easily fit an 8-car VSET, maybe even if you added an extra carriage onto the VSET, it could fit a 9-car VSET pretty much. So yeah, it's obviously because back a long time ago, not really, maybe 10-20 years ago, it would have been very busy, so they would have had to run 8-car services from Central. So yeah, well, just wait until this train departs. It should be another, actually I have no idea when it departs. So 11 departing for a Clyde service. Next and final stop is Clyde. That train will shortly return back on the platform number 1. The Clyde service approaching. Oh Jesus Christ, it's raining so heavy. I don't know why I'm outside, not in shelter, but whatever. Set is M17. Clyde only. Now departing. Oh, I think it was M17. Yeah, M17. M11 about to arrive back into platform number 1, terminating service off of Clyde. It'll then return to Clyde shortly-ish. This train is about 2 minutes after the other Clyde service. M11 now departing again for another Clyde service. I'm pretty sure no one is on this train. Yep, completely empty. It's just like deja vu. Except more wet. Today, if you're wondering, there is track work this weekend between Glenfield and Sydenham and Glenfield and the city via the airport. There is also major delays on the south coastline with trains running late and trains suspended between Wollongong and Port Kembla. So, yeah. All because of this wet weather. We've got M11 again returning onto platform number 1, terminating service. M11 is just about to depart. There you go. Off to Clyde again. Kind of seems like I'm reusing clips. M17 is now approaching platform number 2. for a Carlingford service. Camellia, Rydalmere, Dundas, Tilapia and Carlingford should be the stops. I have no idea how they managed to get M11 and M17 at Clyde, because there was a timetable to arrive on the same platform. However, M11 went to Clyde a couple times while this was apparently occupying platform 1. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. I hope you enjoyed. See you later. Goodbye.